Looking for a faster, easier way to keep families informed? Meet the Newsletter Generator, your time-saving AI tool for creating polished, professional, and family-friendly newsletters in minutes. Here's how to build your newsletter in just a few simple steps. If you have files such as images, schedules, or documents that you'd like to include or reference, you can upload them directly into the section where they belong. Otherwise, simply enter the information into the provided text boxes. Begin by entering your important announcements. This is where you can share key updates like upcoming events, school closures, and reminders. Next, share what students are currently learning in the Educational Updates section. These academic updates help families stay connected to classroom learning. You also have the option to include classroom or school highlights. This is your space to celebrate big wins or joyful moments. These personal touches help families feel more connected to your classroom community. If you'd like, you can also add additional information to share any general reminders or notices such as health and safety updates. Then include your contact information so that families know how to reach you if they have any questions. Once all of your content is entered, click Generate. You'll get a newsletter draft organized in a clear, reader-friendly layout. If needed, you can use HMH Assist to translate or refine the newsletter. Once your draft is ready, review it, make any final updates, and you're all set to share, whether by email, print, or your school's communication platform. With our newsletter generator, writing a newsletter has never been easier.